Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your data. Enable combat logging in-game and install the Warcraft Logs uploader. Once done, run the encounter so the file captures every event. Make sure to stop logging after the pull and open the uploader. It scans the saved log automatically. Next, log into your Warcraft Logs account and upload the file, then tag the specific fight and difficulty. This first step ensures your dataset is clean and correctly attributed before you begin any analysis. Now you dive into the middle of analysis. Open the fight and load the timeline to see ability timestamps. You should filter by player, pets, or phases to isolate contributions and errors. Make sure to check damage taken, casts, and interrupts. These lenses explain why a parse looks low or high. Use percentile comparisons to other parses of the same boss and difficulty. That context tells you whether a result is mechanical, positional, or optimization related. Finish by refining your findings and sharing them. Save custom views, export CSV, or share a direct link with your raid or coach. You should prioritize actionable items, ability downtime, missed cooldowns, and avoidable damage. Then create a short checklist to fix on the next pull. If something looks off, verify the local combat log file, check for duplicate files or wrong time zones, then re-upload. That single troubleshooting step fixes most mismatch problems and preserves reliable analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.